the interconnectedness and the benefits that Taiao has on all of us as a people is significant. Without Taiao, without the environment, we would not exist. Therefore, today marks a really exciting opportunity for us to journey forward together, collectively as one, to do what is right by the whenua.
Our contribution is restoring the Māori of the Kaimai Mamaku through shared knowledge and collective action. The Kaimai Mamaku is a truly special place. Our projects are not one-dimensional. They are not only about employment. They are not only about conservation. Our projects are about reconnecting people with these unique and special places.